India 2015 to 2030. Hello everyone, I am Arshdeep Singh Sandhu, a student of class 6B from Mount Carmel School, Chandigarh. My country, India, is a country with great history, scriptures, and monuments, a unique example of unity in diversity. Different languages, different culture, different religion, still one, and having love and respect for each other. From snow-covered Himalayas to desert of Rajasthan and natural beauty of Kerala, beautiful temples, mosques, churches, and gurdwaras are the strength of my country. Even though we have rich heritage in 2015, India is facing some major problems like poverty, illiteracy, unemployment, pollution, corruption, and lack of medical facilities. Recently, Indian government has launched a number of good schemes to regain lost glory of my India. Today, I am going to present the progress story of my country. From cleanliness to industrial and technical development, improve infrastructure and care of natural resources. We can easily notice the heap of garbage in almost all the cities and villages of India. With the launch of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Government of India started awareness campaign towards cleanliness of our surroundings. Slowly, this campaign only lead to a neat and clean India. By 2030, India will be a garbage backbone of India's economy are in miserable condition today. Industrial waste, sewerage of cities, and also in the name of religious rituals or rivers are getting polluted. Now, Government of India launched a scheme to clean all rivers. Even Delhi government in current budget session announced that they will develop polluted Yamuna river into a tourist hub. By 2030, all Indian rivers will be neat and clean. They will provide us fresh and clean water. Today, many of the schools in Indian villages lack even the basic necessity of toilets. Prime Minister of India has launched a campaign to build toilets in all the schools of our country. This scheme will lead India to neat and clean school and surroundings environment by 2030. In 2015, no smart city is there in India, but recently Government of India has decided to convert 100 cities into smart cities with all latest features like metros, Wi-Fi, world-class infrastructure, clean water, use of solar cell, etc. By 2030, our country will have cities comparable to New York, Los Angeles, Washington and London, etc. Today, Indian railway system is not a world-class system. Trains and railway stations lack the basic necessity of water and toilets. But now, with the help of countries like Japan and China, India in near future is going to develop her own bullet trains having all world-class facilities and fast speed. First trial of semi-bullet train from Delhi to Agra was successfully done last year. By 2030, In India, we will see bullet trains running around with world-class railway stations. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, successfully launched Mangalyaan 2 to explore Mars. This successful launch leads the many future plans to explore the universe. By 2030, ISRO will compete with NASA in exploring the space. Today, corruption is the biggest problem. To tackle with this problem, government started opening of bank accounts of all the citizens of country. With these bank accounts, all subsidies and scholarships will be transferred directly to beneficiary. All middlemen causing corruption will be sidetracked. Hope by 2030 India will be a corruption-free country. Government decided to make Indian citizens healthy by exercises and yoga. On International Yoga Day, government launched awareness campaign among the citizens about gaining good health by daily exercises and yoga. By 2030, India will be a healthy and happy country. Today, most of electric and electronic material in India is promoted from China. Mobiles, LED, LCD, computers, etc. have a big market in India, but China gains this deal demand. With the launch of Make in India scheme, now government is promoting small scale industry to start manufacturing these products in India. With the success of Make in India scheme, by 2030 India will be an industrial developed country. World's renowned economists today predict with the fast growth of economy in India that India will be the third largest economy in the world by 2030. Concluding with the message to all fellow Indians that government can only launch schemes, but without awareness and support of citizens, these schemes cannot be implemented. To make India a developed country by 2030 is a collective responsibility of government and citizens of India. Let's come forward to put our efforts for the growth of our country so that we can proudly say सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Thank you.